Hi everyone! The video the teachers sent out was very heartwarming for all the students. As a Student Life Association, we wanted to make a similar video for our teachers and staff. This is what we do during quarantine.
Hi, it's 10 o'clock, but I really had to go see if my light came in the mail. It's been a month.
Hey guys, it's Sophia. During quarantine, to keep busy, I've been taking care of my plants, baking way too many cookies, and buying way too many clothes. Stay safe, guys!
Hi guys, it's me, James, your grade 9 SLA representative. Quarantine for me has been such a nice break, and some of the things that I like to do to keep busy are play my ukulele, and also cook things like this. I've also been taking advantage of this time to just catch up on some sleep, relax, and watch Netflix. Hope everyone's staying safe and healthy.
Hi, it's Sage. I hope everyone is staying safe and I miss you all.
Hey everyone, so I want to tell you what I've been doing during my quarantine. I've been eating a lot, and baking and cooking new stuff. I tried making cinnamon rolls. It's very recommended from my experience. I think all of you should do it. I can send the recipe with this video. And I've just been relaxing, going out for fresh air. I've been trying to tan, but nothing much, and I hope everyone's staying safe, and I miss school, and I miss all of you, and stay safe. Bye.
During quarantine, to stay busy, I like to work out.
What have I been doing to stay sane in quarantine?
Hi Royal West teachers, I'm Mary Lena. I'm in Sec 2, and something I've been doing to stay sane in quarantine is watercolor painting. It's relaxing and it helps me clear my head. I hope you're all staying safe.
Hey everyone! I hope you're all staying safe during quarantine, and what I've been doing during my quarantine is going outside, trying to tan. I started jogging, I've been cooking, baking, and jumping on my trampoline. I miss you all and I can't wait to be back at school. Bye guys.
Hey everyone, I hope you're all staying healthy and safe and coping with this time at home. During quarantine, I've started to do a lot of new things like baking, cooking, painting, and I've just started to really appreciate the little things in life. I really miss all of you, and I hope that soon we could all be together.
Hi teachers and staff, I miss you all, and I hope that you guys have all been staying sane during this trying time. Something that I do to keep myself calm is sit at my desk and play some video games with friends, or edit videos like I am to this one right now. I'm looking forward to seeing you all next week.
Oh hey, I didn't see you there. This is how I've been passing my time during quarantine.
Hey guys, it's Nava. I hope you guys are all doing really well and your family are safe during this time. To keep myself busy, I've been playing guitar, keeping in touch with my friends, and exercising a lot. I hope you guys are all safe. I miss everyone and I miss school a lot, but we gotta stay positive. Alright, bye.
Hi guys, so during quarantine, I've been mostly taking care of my horses. Hope you guys are all staying safe.
On behalf of all of SLA, we just wanted to say that we miss you all and we hope you're all doing well and staying safe.